Here we are. So the pool is almost all drained. And as promised, I was gonna pull this light out. And I don't know if you know, because I sure didn't, how the people replace the light bulb in the pool if it's underwater. And the answer is, this cable is designed to be removed and pick up and lift on the deck. And it sure is old and nasty looking. And I was very surprised the screw actually was able to come out. It didn't work with a regular screwdriver. I had to get a really cool screwdriver thing that my son has. But now I'll take this apart and see what kind of bulb I need to order, or if I just should get a new one. But I never knew to replace a light bulb underwater, you do it by removing this chassis kind of thing, pulling the water, I'm sorry, the whole unit out and replacing it on the deck, which of course the deck looks horrible as well. And there's all soot and dirt and grime in that cavity where you plug in the light. I think that's called something, a ballast, I'm not sure. And here's my doggy. So here is a little bit of what I got myself in store for. Actually didn't think it was going to be this bad, but it's horrible. These pits are everywhere. I thought it was just going to be in the shallow end, but the more I look at this, the more I'm thinking just paint alone will not work, which puts me into a whole new category of plaster. They have different kind of plastering. I'm looking at the Diamond Bright, which is an aggregate, so cementish kind of thing with quartz. They said they get it from Georgia. Or and then after you do that, you do a different kind of plaster. Once I get into the plaster mode, if I'm doing that, then I probably don't need to paint or shouldn't paint, because they do say, now that I've spent an extra day studying, once you actually paint, regardless if it's epoxy paint or the acrylic paint, you are committed to repainting your pool. You are no longer in the let me just clean it and fix it with plaster. So this is a big decision, a decision I didn't know I'd have to make. Granted, that's life, I guess, in general, but I knew nothing about pools, still know nothing about pools, but I'm going to go for it. Why not? What's the worst that can happen?